Hello, my friends. I'm so excited you're here with me today. This is just a quick video to show you some gorgeous cards made using the brand new Eden's Garden collection. So I just want to show you really quick what all of this entails. I just realized I'm missing the dies. Let me grab those. Okay, so the Eden's Garden stamp set looks like this with some beautiful sentiments. And then the dies are really cool. They make these beautiful greenery images. And there's this awesome one where you can stamp your hello there, your dear friend, how are you? And it fits in that die. And then these are the beautiful garden gems. I love these. Aren't these gorgeous? These are great for Christmas too. Very snow friendly. They kind of just look very Christmassy. And then the paper is also very Christmassy. I think it's beautiful. It is, as you can see, I've used it. I want to just show you a few sheets of it here. It is all that beautiful soft subtles, gold, or soft subtles, soft succulent. And then the evening evergreen feel. Really, really pretty paper. And then you can also get this cotton paper, which is kind of like tissue paper, but thicker. And I was actually really surprised by it. I didn't realize it would be like this. So this is really beautiful too, especially for 3D projects to stuff it in the top. Let me show you the cards really quickly that were made with this. Now, these are not all made by me. This one, for example, is made by my team member, Sandra Hernandez, but watch. Isn't that cool? My heart is tied to yours. Tug if you need anything. Dear friend, how are you? Sending hugs. And then this. Look at that. Isn't that a cool card? I'm going to have to learn how to make this, aren't I? So I can show you guys. And then this one is really cool. Let's celebrate everything. And the inside is stamped. And I don't know who made this one. Some of these I took the name and info off of and threw it away on accident. I'm pretty sure this one's made by Marissa Alvarez. Beautiful, lots of layering, or I don't know, could be made by my Carolyn. I'm not sure who. This one is beautiful, sending hugs. So simple, and that gorgeous stamp on the inside. Really, really pretty. Okay, this one is a wowzer. This is a belly band that goes over the top, and I already pulled it off and I haven't been able to get it back on yet, but it just slides off. And then look at this. Whoa. So cool. And this is made by Jay Little Bear. And then this one, very beautiful. You know me, I love white space. So they used actually black, white, and then the soft succulent, and then they're stamping on the inside. And this is by Jennifer Hampshire. Very, very pretty. This one is gorgeous as well, by Christine Bertram. She is the organizer of the swap I was part of. And look, she did the binding all the way on the edge of the card, which is so cool. And then the inside is decorated beautifully. Very pretty. This is my favorite one. This is made by Wendy Lee, and she put this gorgeous trim underneath here, and it's kind of frayed, which I love, and then lots of white space with focal points. And if you can tell here, it kind of actually cuts in and goes in a little bit. It's so beautiful. Such a great job. So there are some beautiful Eden's Garden collection cards. If you weren't sure if you could be inspired by this bundle, some people have said, I'm not sure I can be inspired by it. And I'm telling you the truth. I mean, when I first saw it, I was like, not totally my style, but let me see. And I started making stuff with it, and it's gorgeous. The cards are just beautiful. And then, of course, adding these gems to any of these cards just takes it up that much higher of a notch. So there's a link in the description below my video if you want to purchase the Eden Garden bundle or collection, or maybe you just want the paper, or maybe you just want these beautiful gems. whatever it is that you will tickle your fancy, there is a link below the video to get it. And don't forget, use my host code if your order is 50 or more to get either your free crystal effects and subtle shimmer sequins, or you can get my online card class free November 1st through November 10th. Thanks for tuning in. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.